Hello everybody, this is Corbin from Zoco Marketing, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to exclude your IP address from Google Analytics. I'm also going to be showing you how to exclude an IP range in case you're working in an office and need to exclude multiple users from your Google Analytics account. Now before we jump in to how to do this, I want to talk about why you would want to do this. I think the answers are pretty straightforward. You don't want to be going to your own website and inflating your user or session data inside of Google Analytics. You want to leave that for people who are visiting your site with the purpose to convert for whatever your goal might be on your website. So we are going to jump in on how to do this today. The first thing is you're going to want to come over here to admin. And this is more just a best practice for Google Analytics kind of tip. You can see here I'm in my all website data. Best practices for Google Analytics accounts is to never put a filter on your all website data account. And in this case, to exclude an IP address, we're going to be adding a filter. Now with filters, once you add it, if you take it off later, the data that filtered out that traffic will not be retroactive. So if you filter out the wrong IP address for whatever reason and you take off that filter, that data will never come back. So I always recommend keeping the all website data, just what that sounds like, all website data, never put a filter on that. So in this case, we're going to create a new view for our IP address, or to exclude our IP address. And this one's going to be called filtered view. We'll call it test because I already have a filtered view for this account. This is going to be a website. Just do your time zone and all these different things. Create the view. All right, and now that we are in a new view, as you can see here, we got filter test view. It changed up here. We're going to exclude our IP address now. So we come over here to filter, add filter. We're going to call this exclude my IP. And this is going to be a predefined filter type. We are going to exclude our IP address, traffic from IP address. This is going to equal to our exact one. Now, if you don't know your IP address, simply give it a Google search. I'm going to blur out mine right here so you can't see it, but what is my IP address? We're going to take this guy right here and copy that, go back to Google Analytics and paste that address inside of there. And once we have that inside the IP address filter, we're going to simply hit save. Now that's going to load up and it's going to take us back to this view. And now we can see we have successfully excluded our IP address. If you need to exclude an IP range, here's how you do that. So you go to add filter and there's just a slightly different step. So this time we're going to call this IP range. And this, instead of a predefined filter, we're going to go custom right here. And in the filter select field, we're going to just type in here IP. It should come up, IP address. Click on this, and then we're going to use a little bit of regex to filter out your IP address range, the filter pattern. Now, if you're not familiar with regex, there's this handy little tool called IP range regular expression finder. I'll link that down below in the description. But simply, all you need to do is we're going to take the example that they give us here. Is take the first letter or the first IP address and the last IP address, copy those guys, and then hit this generate regex code, and then it gives you this nice little code that you can then go back into Google Analytics, copy that, go back in here and paste that. From here, all you need to do is hit save, and have it. You now have successfully excluded an IP range and your own individual IP address. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want some more quick tips and tricks for marketing. Thanks.